Keto Chocolate Mousse. Ingredients: 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup powdered erythritol, or sweetener of choice, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large egg whites. Directions: in a medium saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it begins to simmer. Remove from heat and stir in the cocoa powder, erythritol, and vanilla extract until well combined. In a large mixing bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Slowly fold the chocolate mixture into the beaten egg whites until well combined. Spoon the mixture into ramekins or dessert cups, and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until set. Serve chilled, and enjoy your delicious keto-friendly chocolate mousse. Note: you can also add some low-carb fruit-like berries on top to add some flavor and color to the mousse. Thanks for watching and follow us for more delicious recipes.